In this exciting video, I'll be introducing you to 6 banking platforms that have been making online transaction hassle-free for Nigerians. As you already know that in this economy, it's very hard to actually spend in dollar, especially if you want to make transaction, you have to make it in naira. And not to talk about the way international websites have started rejecting the naira debit card, which make it totally useless. Now, if you are someone that's trying to make money online, or you are the kind of person that you need to make payment to any of these online websites or foreign websites that require you to spend in dollar, then it's time for you to find a solution. As a result of this, I've actually rounded up these 6 unique cards that have actually helped me to make international transactions seamlessly within Nigeria without any issue at all. Now, if you are thinking about how to get started, just relax yourself. The first thing you need to do right now is to hit that like button and also smash that subscribe button if this is your first time. Now, without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the first one, which is Grey.co. Grey.co offers banking services to digital nomads, catering to individuals or businesses. You can easily open an account online, and it provides free USD, pounds, and euro accounts for international transactions. While they might not offer a direct USD account, you can convert funds from pounds to dollar, and of course from euro to dollar, and vice versa. Personally, I use Grey.co to check the current exchange rate, which make it very convenient for me to make transactions within my country. Second on the list, we have Payoneer. Payoneer serves as business payment solution in the global economy. It's widely accepted and has proven extremely useful for money retrieval from platforms like Fiverr.com and Upwork.com. Although it comes with advantages, be cautious when you are using it on platforms like Amazon, as it may lead to account suspension due to tax-related issues in Nigeria. The positive aspect is that Payoneer provides a card that allows you to make online transactions and withdraw funds provided you meet up all the criteria. Now let's dive into the third one, which is my favorite in Nigeria. And what am I talking about? PayPal. While PayPal may not have an official presence in Nigeria, you can still open a valid one by accessing it through PayPal Argentina. This method allows you to have both personal and business accounts, enabling you to send and receive money globally. However, note that there are some limitations and verification processes associated with this approach. In order to get it right, I have actually made a comprehensive video about PayPal. Well, the link just sliding above. I'll also be dropping the link right in the description below and in the pinned comment below. Ensure you check it out. Our fourth option today is Cheaper Cash. Often underrated, but Cheaper Cash is the dark horse of our list today. It gives you the option to create both naira and dollar cards, and I have used it for numerous online payments, including the Facebook advert I'm currently running. Signing up for Cheaper Cash is a breeze. It's just as simple as signing up for OPay or PalmPay. So give it a try. For those that still prefer physical bank in Nigeria, well, 2 options stand out. And what are they? The first is Guaranteed Trust Bank, which offers a dollar account that allows international transactions. Loading the account may involve obtaining dollars through an exchanger if your income is primarily in naira. The second option on our list is United Bank for Africa, which we all know as UBA. This provides a prepaid card for online purchases in dollar. The convenience here is that you don't necessarily need to open a UBA bank account. Just visit a branch, provide the necessary identification, and load the card with physical cash. Last but not the least, we have Geegpay. Geegpay provides banking services designed for digital enthusiasts, serving both individuals and businesses. The account opening process is straightforward and can be completed online. Geegpay offers a complimentary USD account for conducting international transactions. The platform also allows the conversion of funds from naira to dollar, enhancing the convenience of transactions within Nigeria. For a step-by-step guide on creating a Geegpay account, check out the video that just popped up on the screen. Whatever you do, never stop making money.